knows the wind he blows, the children think it's me. He always says, his allergies are scary. He sneezes till he's full and scares away his adversary. Grown-ups just pick right up when a mouse comes in the house. He doesn't go boo, he goes. He sneezes and the sneeze he goes.
If you knew Pets that mouse, my little kitty, you'd be back out on the street. Now, Pets that mouse.
Say, will you be my friend? Will you, huh? Will you, huh? Will you? Gee, you want to be my friend now? Do you, huh? Do you, huh? Won't you please be my friend? Oh, where are you, my new friend? Huh? Are you around? Are you? Oh boy! Now you're really gonna be my friend, aren't you? There's more friends that way.
He sneezes